In 2026, people are making money online without offices, without employees, and without investing a single naira. Some of them are students. Some are full-time workers. Some are even unemployed, but earning in dollars. What if I told you that you don't need capital, connections, or luck to start an online business this year? In this video, I'll show you 5 real online businesses you can start with 0 naira in 2026. These are not scams. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They are proven online business models that people around the world are using right now. Make sure you watch till the end, because the final business can generate income even while you sleep. Welcome to Money Hustle 360. The channel where we break down smart ways to make money online, build digital skills, and create sustainable income streams. If you're tired of relying on just one source of income, if you're tired of waiting for job opportunities that never come, or if you simply want to earn in dollars from anywhere in the world, then this video is for you. The truth is simple. 2026 is not the year to wait. It's the year to act. Let's get started with the first online business. Business number 1. Freelancing. The first online business you can start with 0 naira in 2026 is freelancing. Freelancing simply means offering your skills or services online and getting paid per task or per project. You don't need an office. You don't need a company registration. You don't need startup capital. All you need is a skill and an internet connection. In 2026, businesses all over the world are outsourcing work instead of hiring full-time staff. This is why freelancers are in very high demand. Now, let's talk about skills you can offer as a freelancer. These include writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, virtual assistants, data entry, customer support, transcription, and even AI-assisted services. The good news is this: you don't need to be an expert before you start. You can start with beginner-level skills and grow with experience. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour allow anyone to sign up for free. You create a profile, list your services, and apply for jobs. Some people get their first job within days. Others may take weeks. But once you land your first client, everything changes. Freelancers earn anywhere from $5 to $100 per job. Some experienced freelancers earn over $3,000 every month. Freelancing is not magic. It requires patience, consistency, and learning. But the barrier to entry is 0. If you have time, internet access, and willingness to learn, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online in 2026. Business number 2. Print on demand. The second online business you can start with 0 naira in 2026 is print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you sell customized products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and posters without owning any inventory. Here's how it works. You create a simple design using free tools like Canva. You upload the design to a print-on-demand platform. You set your price. When someone buys the product, the platform prints it, packages it, and delivers it to the customer. You only earn when a sale is made. If nobody buys, you lose nothing. Platforms like Printify, Redbubble, Teespring, and Zazzle allow you to sign up for free. This business is very beginner-friendly because there's no financial risk. In 2026, personalized products are in very high demand. People love custom designs that reflect their identity, culture, or interests. You can create designs for niches like fitness, motivation, humor, relationships, or even local trends. You don't need to be a professional designer. Simple text-based designs work very well. The key to success in print on demand is consistency and marketing. Once a design starts selling, it can generate passive income for months or even years. Business number 3. Affiliate marketing. The third online business you can start with 0 naira in 2026 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your referral link. You don't create the product. You don't handle customer support. You don't deal with delivery. Your job is simply to connect the product to the right audience. Affiliate programs are everywhere. Amazon Associates, Digistore24, ClickBank, Expert Air, and many software companies all offer affiliate commissions. Commissions range from 5% to as high as 70%, depending on the product. You can promote affiliate products using YouTube videos, TikTok content, blog posts, WhatsApp status updates, or Facebook groups. The beauty of affiliate marketing is this. Once your content is online, it can keep making sales even when you're offline. Some people wake up to notifications of commissions they earned while sleeping. However, affiliate marketing is not about spamming links. The secret is solving problems. When you educate, review, or explain how a product helps people, they trust you, and they buy. Affiliate marketing rewards patience and consistency. It may take time to build momentum, but once it works, it becomes a powerful income stream. Business number 4. Faceless YouTube automation. The fourth online business you can start with 0 naira in 2026 is faceless YouTube automation. This means running a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your real voice. Many people think YouTube requires confidence in front of the camera. That is no longer true. In 2026, AI tools can write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even create videos using stock footage. Popular faceless YouTube niches include motivation, facts, documentaries, luxury lifestyle, AI tutorials, and make money online content. YouTube pays creators through ads once a channel is monetized. In addition to ads, creators earn through affiliate links and sponsorships. Some faceless channels earn between $500 to $5,000 monthly. This business takes time. It requires consistency and patience. But once videos start ranking and gaining views, they can generate income long-term. Faceless YouTube is not a get-rich-quick method, but it is one of the most scalable online businesses in 2026. Business number 5. Selling digital products. The fifth and most profitable online business you can start with 0 naira in 2026 is selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, guides, templates, checklists, planners, and online courses. The biggest advantage of digital products is this. You create it once and sell it unlimited times. There is no shipping. There is no inventory. There is no restocking. Platforms like Gumroad, Seller, and Payhip allow you to upload and sell digital products for free. You only pay a small fee when you make a sale. Digital products work best when they solve specific problems. For example, a budgeting template, a job application guide, a social media content planner, or a beginner's ebook. Many creators earn daily income from digital products without trading time for money. This is why digital products are considered one of the smartest online businesses. Final motivation. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time does not exist. Every successful online earner started with uncertainty, fear, and zero capital. What separated them was action. Choose one of these businesses. Learn it. Stay consistent. Your results will follow. If you found value in this video, like it and subscribe to Money Hustle 360. Comment below which of these online businesses you want a step-by-step tutorial on next. Your online income journey starts now.